Hi everyone, this is a math facts lesson. Students who struggle with reading often struggle with math facts as well. So we apply the same approach to math facts as to our reading lessons. Math facts lessons are included free with reading lessons. Once you sign up for reading lessons, they're both available when the student signs in. We have the volume turned down so you can hear the narration, but you can see what's going on. The student is pronouncing the numbers and symbols aloud, and the computer's microphone is picking it up. Each one that's pronounced correctly is highlighted, giving the student instant feedback. If they make a mistake, the highlight pauses, and they can try again. If they get stuck, they click the speaker button to hear the pronunciation, so they're never stuck for long. The goal of math facts is to develop the skill of reciting each math fact reflexively. Then, anytime the student is provided with the first part of a fact, they can finish it reflexively. There has always been confusion surrounding math facts. When students have trouble with them, they're said to have trouble with calculating. But math facts aren't calculations. They're normal English sentences, and we refer to them as just that, math sentences. Here we have the same math fact, first written out in spellings and second written in the numbers and symbols of our mathematical writing system. Here are some more examples of sentences. The first three are well-known proverbs, but they're also just simple English sentences that most of us can fill in the blank for. A penny saved is a penny earned. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. All that glitters is not gold. The second three are also common English sentences that most of us can fill in the blanks for. 7 times 6 equals 42. 12 plus 12 equals 24. 9 times 9 equals 81. Students are first taught math concepts using number lines and also using objects like beans and pennies that are grouped and counted out. And while this is fine for introducing concepts, that's not how we actually use math in real life. Throughout our lives, every time we need to know how much 6 plus 2 is, we can't spill out beans and pennies on a surface, make a group of 6, a group of 2, and then count them up. Instead, we memorize the fact that 6 plus 2 equals 8, along with many other math facts, and they serve us for the rest of our lives. They are at the heart of grasping everything involving money, every type of measurement, of time management, driving, cooking, understanding the weather, and countless other aspects of our lives. Math facts are also at the heart of more complex math. Here's a long addition problem. Solving it turns out to be an exercise in reciting math facts. We engage in a mental dialogue just like we see here. We start by going down the right-hand column. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Put down the 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 6 is 21. Put down the 1 and carry 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 7 is 10. We put down the 10, add the comma in the right place, and we have our answer, 1011. Reciting math facts in a mental dialogue like this is what we mean by the term doing arithmetic. Traditionally, math facts have included the addition facts of 1 plus 1 to 12 plus 12 and the multiplication facts from 1 times 1 to 12 times 12, and that's what we use for our math facts. Each math facts lesson takes less than 5 minutes, and while students can take them anytime they like, they fit nicely as a quick follower after finishing a reading lesson. In our math facts lessons, just like in our reading lessons, every time the highlight moves, it signals success. There's a saying in sports that you can't dream up confidence, that confidence is born of demonstrated ability, and the first person you have to demonstrate it to is yourself. With math facts, every time the highlight moves, that's not students dreaming up confidence. That's students demonstrating their own ability to themselves right before their own eyes. This can make all the difference for struggling students. It can replace the struggle and help them begin to take simple math in stride. We hope we can do that for your child.